Turn.
So today we're gonna climb Tongariro. It's like an 8-hour hike. 8 hours, 20 kilometers. Oh, that's really far. Oh, it's kind of cloudy, so
Oh my god, so much better.
we'll see how it goes. So Zoe is a geologist and she's gonna teach us about rocks. But she can barely name any rocks that people picked up. I don't know, maybe we should give her one more try. Okay, Zoe, just name us last a random rock. Do we call it geode? No. Geode. So we are like an hour into the walk. It's been 1 hour since we've been walking. Man, this is tiring. And it was so cold, like everyone was wearing their jackets. And now everyone's like, you know what, screw this, I'm just wearing a shirt. And we have like, what, 16 kilometers more? Or maybe less, maybe 15. But yeah, let's check it again. Three km mark. So we are at Soda Springs right now. It's a very nice waterfall. Alright Timo, how do you say Soda Springs in French?
Soda, I don't know, une cascade de soda. Cascade de soda.
Cascada. Yeah.
Cascade.
Like
Cascade.
cascade.
Oh, cascade.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
it's a very nice
Soda.
waterfall. So almost 2 hours in, we gotta stop for food, man. And these two, they are like, oh come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. So we're entering the Devil's Staircase, and it's like an hour-long jump on stairs. And right now it's like that. It's gonna go like that, and it's gonna go like that. And this is what I'm looking at right now. Good luck to my legs. We are almost reaching the top, right?
Yes.
These two guys have been like not telling us stuff like, oh, we are almost there, maybe we are there, maybe we are not there. Yeah, these two guys are there. And so this is like, is this the hardest part?
Yes.
Alright.
After.
You sure?
Yes.
So we're gonna climb like somewhere here,
Look at how steep
Yeah.
it is.
and that's like the hardest part of the climb. Oh gosh. So we're making our way up the very, very steep slope. Oh gosh. And it's not easy to walk here because it's like just rocks. See you at the top. Halfway to the top. Ah. God, I'm dying. Halfway. Halfway. Oh, but it's so nice here. This one is hot.
Yes. Very hard.
How are you?
Not good. I'm panting.
We are almost at the top. Like almost at the top. That's it. And we made it! I wonder if the one is working. It's so windy up there. And it's downwards, so it's a bit dangerous. And everyone's doing like a scree run, where you just like hop, 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 and then you slide down the sand. Like that. So we're finally gonna have a bit of food after like what, I think it was 4 hours, 3 hours of hiking. And this is the Emerald Lake. So break time also means time for a beer.
Oh, be careful.
Yeah. Yep, so now we're actually walking down the crossing. Oh god, it's so tiring. And we have to be at the car park before 2:30, and it's like 5 minutes to 1. If not, the next bus that comes that fetches us back to town is at 4. And that's 2 hours at the car park really. So everyone's walking pretty fast. And we still have a pretty long way to go. 12 km. Woohoo! 7 more km to go. I won't hike anymore. Like I just told Mary like this is the last one. No more. But I'm taking a car or bus. I'm not gonna walk anymore. No, like really, it's like
I give up.
no.
Are you tired?
Yes.
A little bit.
Fucking tired. Fucking tired. Don't do this. It's too tough.
No, but it's pretty. So good.
Beautiful.
You did it, Jordan.
Ah, no.
Woo.
So that's the end of Tongariro, and we'll see you